How to go live on TikTok way. So to go live on TikTok from your desktop, you can follow these simple steps. First of all you have to do is go to your preferred web browser, then in search address bar type down TikTok and navigate to its official website. And also make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. You can also see there is a login option available. In there, you can simply tap on the login and log into your account and start the live. Now in the left hand side, you can see live option available there. Simply tap on it. Then in next page, you can see go live option available there. At the left hand side panel, you can simply tap on the go live and follow the on-screen instructions to navigate to the live session. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.